A lot of videos from the protest and the clashes that broke out have gone viral. There are some that have come to fore now. Viral videos from Delhi protests that have surfaced and are under the scanner of the Delhi police. One video allegedly captures a protester raising the slogan, Nepal Bana Do, while other clips appear to show stone pelting, vandalism and attacks on police vans and emergency vehicles. Police claim the footage indicates that stone pelting was initiated by protesters in some instances. Officials say all viral videos are being verified and those involved are being identified as part of the ongoing investigation. We have Bhavtosh joining us on the broadcast. There are a lot of videos and claims doing the round. Some of them have been fact-checked by the Delhi police. Now, there is one particular video in which allegedly a protester was captured saying, Nepal Bana Do.
Yes, Swati, in fact, there are several videos. Some have been shared by the protesters in which they have shown excessive force used by paramilitary forces and also by Delhi police. But there is other side of the story in which the police are also scanning the footage in which they say that protesters also indulged in violence and also indulged in vandalization. Now, they have, in fact, shared these videos in which you can see protesters, in fact, attacking the police, vandalizing their cars, also vandalizing their vans. And they have in fact said that they were the ones who indulged in stone pelting. If we can put out these videos, there are protesters who are in fact covered their faces and shouting that ye Delhi ko Nepal bana do. They have also shown footages in which they have said that stone pelting was initiated by the protesters. Now, the police have said they are going through these footage, and for this very reason, the police have filed 5 FIRs in which they have used various sections of BNS, including assault on public servants, obstructing public servants, and also added sections of serious injuries. Now, no arrests have been made in the case so far. They have said that at least 118 police personnel, including that of officers of the rank of Special Commissioner, have been injured. The protesters on their part have said at least 60 protesters have been injured, including a girl who is presently in critical condition. She is still in emergency ward. So there are claims and also counter claims. As far as the police is concerned, they have said another FIR of larger conspiracy will be filed very soon.
Now, Bhavtosh, as we speak, like you were pointing out, yes, there are videos of a police vehicle being overturned and a police vehicle coming under attack by the protesters on ground coming to fore as well. And Sabyasachi earlier spoke to Sub-Inspector Mr. Sharma, who says that some antisocial elements hijacked the entire protest, which was peaceful up until that particular point, and he blames those anti-social elements for violence. Stay on with us, Bhavtosh. Let's, in fact, listen into that reaction, that conversation, and I'll come back to you.
I'm joined by Anand Mishra, who is the additional DCP of New Delhi, who was also injured and he has faced one fracture. Anandji, where were you? Because people want to know, social media की बात अलग छोड़ दीजिए, सिचुएशन बदली कहाँ से आपको जो लगा? क्योंकि शुरुआत में जब पुलिस ने बोला पीछे जाओ, कुछ लोग चले गए, लेकिन एक बहुत ज्यादा मैसिव जो ग्रुप ऑफ प्रोटेस्टर्स थे वो रुक गए और पुलिस से झड़प करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं।
हाँ, पहले तो देखिए, जब भी कोई इस तरह का प्रोटेस्ट होता है, मैं आपको बताऊं, तो उस प्रोटेस्ट को करने से पहले एक लीगल तरीका है, प्रॉपर्ली डिफाइंड लीगल तरीका होता है कि आप उसके तहत परमिशन लेते हैं और एप्लीकेशन लगाते हैं। वो हमने इनको रीच आउट किया और इनसे कहा, रिक्वेस्ट किया कि भाई आप जो है इसकी परमिशन लीजिए और अपना जो भी आपकी आइडियाज़ हैं, जो भी आपका प्लानिंग है वो आप बताएं। लाइक कि क्या गैदरिंग होगी, क्या रूट होगा, कौन लोग शामिल होंगे इसमें, पर उन्होंने कोई इन्फॉर्मेशन हमें नहीं दी और शायद उन्होंने इसको सीरियसली भी नहीं लिया। और फिर इसके बाद जब उन्होंने अपने जो उनका प्री प्लान था उस हिसाब से उन्होंने करना शुरू किया अपना मार्च, और हम 2-3 दिन से इस बात को वॉच कर रहे थे कि हाँ संख्या बढ़ सकती है। हमें लगा कि हाँ संख्या बढ़ रही है, उस हिसाब से हमने अरेंजमेंट भी काफी
अलर्ट किया था उन लोगों की आप जो कॉल कर रहे हैं वो इस दायरे के लिए उचित नहीं होगा।
हाँ, निश्चित रूप से उनको बताया, उनको इस बात के लिए हमने अलर्ट किया, उनको बताया कि ये टोपोग्राफी इसके लिए अलाउ नहीं करती है और उनको पहले से हमने काफ़ी सचेत किया, अलर्ट किया और उन्होंने सब ये करना शुरू किया तो हमने उनको समझाया, उनको बैरिकेड पे रोका। इस तरह की बैरिकेडिंग की थी अपने अरेंजमेंट के दौरान। पुलिस कर्मियों को पकड़ करके पीटा और वहाँ पर चप्पल फेंकी, वो किया, बॉटल्स फेंकी और डंडों से पिटाई करी। कई सारे इस तरह के इंसिडेंट हुआ, स्टोन पेल्टिंग करी, उसमें बहुत सारे
चोट कैसे लगी?
पुलिसकर्मी कई से हमारे घायल हुए।